Hey everyone, it's Foxx Model Making Guru here. Hello, and welcome to a very, very quick impromptu video. Now, it's going to be crappy. The lighting keeps changing because the sun's coming through the window. I'm using the Windows camera app. It's the webcam. It's not going to be great quality. This is a very off-the-cuff, unplanned, not scripted video. So apologies in advance. It's not my usual crappy quality. It's even worse crappy quality. Hey, basement. What can I do? Anyway. A very quick video, just to let you know what's happening on this channel in the coming months, given what I'm referring to, for the sake of my monetization, because YouTube are cracking down, on what I will call, based on feedback I had last night, the Chocolate Velociraptor 19 scenario. Let's call it that, the Chocolate Velociraptor 19 scenario. As you know, a lot of us over the coming months are going to be stuck indoors. We're going to be stuck in here. Hopefully none of you are going to be affected too directly, but you probably will end up at some point stuck indoors. Myself personally, I mean, you're either going to be in for a week or 2 weeks or longer. Myself personally, I'm going to be here till it's gone, till it's all done. Sharing the house with a person who is high risk means that I can't afford to pass on Chocolate Velociraptor to anybody, especially to that person. So I'm indoors now for the duration. This is it. Me and this house and the garden, that's my entire universe. And I know a lot of you are in the same situation. Now, for me, I'm kind of lucky. This is what I do for a job. This is my living, so it's no biggie for me. But I know for a lot of you people out there who have jobs and other things to depend on, it's going to be hard. And that's why I'm making some changes to the channel. Not really changes, but I'm going to be doing some stuff. First and foremost, I'm going to do as much content as I can, because I know right now what you guys want is distractions. Good or bad, it doesn't really matter what quality the content is, as long as there's something to give you a distraction. And so I'm going to do as much as I possibly can. Now, in the next week, I'm starting on here, this very bench here. I'll be starting the big Millennium Falcon Perfect Grade project for remodels. That's going to be the focus of my attention for the next few weeks. Proper filming schedule type stuff, proper videoing and everything. But as much as I can, between filming, when I've got the time free, that you just saw the light change, then that's because I'm using the Windows app. Sorry. As much as I can, I told you this was going to be rough. As much as I can between filming and when I've got the time free to sit there for a few hours, I will do as many live streams as I can. Now, they're going to be I'm still going to do the Saturday and Sunday stuff. In fact, it's 20 to 11 today, and I've got the Skyrim stream at 3 today, so that's still going ahead. The weekend stuff's going to be the same, but as much as I can during the week, I'm going to do live streams. If you haven't seen them, I did a couple of live streams yesterday. I'm calling them stuck at home streams. They're just really a distraction for you guys, some content to, take your mind off things, but more importantly, they'll always have live chat. So it's a place for you to hang out with your friends in the live chat while I'm waffling away in the background. Because I know the little community that I've built up, you all get on with each other, you all have a laugh, and it's another place just to congregate. Now, on some days, you're set because you've got Colin's stream in the morning, you've got me in the afternoon, and Chris in the evening. So you've got the whole day there to hang out with your mates in chat, especially some of you who are by yourself, or you've not got a lot of contact while you're isolated in your house. It's a nice little outlet to have some conversation with people. So I'm going to do as many live streams as I can throughout the course of each week. Now, this may go on for months. We don't know. No one knows. So for as long as I can, I'll put up as much content as I can. It might be I'm working on my Warhammer Conquest stuff, like here. You can see I'm working on some of these dudes. I might just crack on with these and get them built. So I'll be, sitting working on the bench, having a good time. It might be talking to the camera. I did one yesterday where I was kind of talking to the camera and showing you big stuff. So we'll do some of that. As my part work stuff comes through, assuming they even continue, they may stop for a while. I'll be showing you the magazines and stuff that comes through. We'll crack on with those as much as I can. Some of them might be video games. Some of them might be this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm just going to try and do as much as I can. Now, also, it's something I don't really want to talk about, but I'm going to have to anyway. Like I said, this channel is my job, it's my living, it's how I make my income. I'm going to be really dependent on you guys in the coming months to keep that going, because I don't get government help, almost virtually none. So I'm going to be really desperate for your help over the coming months, and I hate doing this, so bear with me. I'm going to get it over as quickly as possible. How can you help? Well, first and foremost, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Like every video I put up, it means that my video gets listed a bit higher in the YouTube searches, and that is wonderful because my income comes from Patreon, YouTube, Google, and Amazon. That's where I get my income, and selling kits that I've built that I can't do now because I can't post them. So So first and foremost, like and subscribe. It costs you nothing. Liking my video helps it in the listings, and subscribing means you don't miss out. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll be doing a lot of impromptu off the cuff streams, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll get a little ping every time I start a stream, so you won't miss out on meeting up with everybody in chat. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell. If you're watching one of my live streams, if you want to help me out, you can do. You can use the super chat. I get that income. That's a little bit of income from me. So if you want to help occasionally, that's one way you can do it. But just watch my stuff, like and subscribe as much as you can. If you want to, it's not the best time. I mean, I hate asking this anyway, but it's not the best time anyway. But if you're able to and you really want to, you can. If you want to support me on Patreon, I understand though right now this is probably the last thing I should be asking, so don't worry about it. But if you can, patreon.com/modelmakingguru, you can do. But I don't like asking that right now. It's not something I'm comfortable with. But this is my living. I have to do it. Now I hate doing that. Now is not the time for me to be asking for money, really. But it is. But it's not. I'm British. I don't like asking for stuff. So anyway, I told you this was an unprepared video. It's really rough and ready. More importantly than all of that, though, more importantly is what you do for yourself over the coming months. Follow the advice you're given. Stay indoors. Stay away from people. Wash your damn hands. Wash your hands all the time, constantly. Just spend your entire day at the sink washing your hands. Soap kills the Chocolate Velociraptor. It kills it. It destroys its outer coating instantly. Just soap and water does it. Also, the soap stops the Chocolate Velociraptor sticking to your hands. Wash your hands all the time. Keep your distance from people. If you can isolate yourself away, brilliant. If, like me, you're sharing with someone who is at risk, just be very careful. If you can, like me, lock yourself away permanently. But if you're not in that position, most of you aren't, then just be really careful. Keep your distance. Don't go to the pub. Don't go to the club. Don't go to the gym. It's all irrelevant. None of it matters. Doesn't matter. If you've got a choice between... I mean, think of it this way. You really, really want to go to the pub to be with your mates. That's great. But then what if you go to the pub and you get Chocolate Velociraptor off someone, and then you come home and you give it to your parent who maybe have an underlying health condition or be older, may give it to your grandparent who is very old and will probably most likely have an underlying condition, or perhaps you have a brother or sister who has a lifelong condition that means they're immunosuppressed. You've just killed them. Let's not mince words here. You've just killed them. So don't go to the pub. Don't go to the bars. Don't. Just be sensible. Do what you need to do. I know a lot of you will still have to go to your place of work to do your jobs, and that's fine. Just make sure you follow the guidance. If you can shut yourself away, do. If you can't, then just take the precautions. Wash your hands. Keep your distance. Be safe. I want all of you to come through this with me. I'm going to be here for the duration. I can't go anywhere. So it's me, the garden, the house, and Amazon for the next however long. I'm going to count on you guys for the company. So stay safe. I want you all to be here at the other end of this. So take care. I know a lot of you, a lot of my people that watch me in my community, you are older. A lot of you are immunosuppressed and at risk. So please take care. Shout at your families if they try and come round. Just stay safe. But that's going to do us. It's only a really quick video. I do apologise for the asking for money bit. I hate that. It's not something I want to do at the best of times and right now, but I have to. So I do apologise for that. And I apologise for the crappy quality. This is with the lighting going and yeah, it's not right. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. So take care of yourselves. I know this time for once, it's not just me saying it. I really mean it. Take care of yourselves. Be safe. Be careful. Be sensible. Use this. Don't touch your face like I've just done. Here, I'm going to go and wash my hands now. Wash your hands. Take care. Go make something awesome. There may be a lot of that in the future. Go be awesome. And until next time, take care, folks.